Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can transfer crypto from Binance. So it's pretty simple to transfer crypto from your Binance to another place or another wallet. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link down in the description to get up to $10 bonus. So let's start the video. Now once you're in Binance, you want to go to your wallet. Once you're in wallet, you want to go to where it says spot. You want to click on spot. Now once you're over here, you want to choose the coin which you want to, send to another place. You want to search for it. So let's say I'm going to go for Bitcoin. I want to type BTC. I go for Bitcoin and I choose on where it says withdrawal. Now over here I enter the address of the place where I want to send my Bitcoin, and over here I can choose the network, like in which network I'm transferring my Bitcoin, and then I need to enter the amount of Bitcoin I want to send. If I click on max, every Bitcoin stored on my Binance account will be transferred, and after doing that, after all of this is correct, I want to click on withdrawal, and then my crypto will be transferred to Binance to the address which I have pasted over here. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can, transfer crypto from Binance. Now remember, send your appropriate crypto to the appropriate address. If you want to send a Bitcoin, then you want to send a Bitcoin to Bitcoin address. If you want to send your Ethereum, then you want to send it to Ethereum address. Don't send your Bitcoin to Ethereum address. Your Bitcoin will be lost that way and you cannot regain it again. So yeah, that's basically how you transfer crypto. If you guys found this video helpful, then hit that like and subscribe button and use our referral link in the description to get $10 bonus. And I will see you guys another video. Bye bye.